Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how to change the color theme in the Maps.me app on your phone. This is a simple way to personalize your navigation experience and make the map display more comfortable for your eyes. First, open the Maps.me app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the More option. Then, select Settings from the list that appears. After that, scroll down until you see the Appearance option and tap on it to see the color theme settings. Here, you can choose between the available color themes, such as blue or green, to change the look of your maps. Once you select your preferred color, the app will automatically update the map display with the new theme. Finally, close the settings and continue using Maps.me with your new color theme applied. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends if you found it helpful.